That's my room. Sorry, Sister Selena. I didn't know it was yours. I can even stay in the basement.
That room, give it to her.
If she needs sun, the guest room has it too.
You're the lady of this house. Be nice to guests.
That's our bedroom.
It's just a room. Sophia isn't strong. Move to the guest room tonight. Don't make me say it again. Put away those useless feelings.
As you wish. Tell me, am I too obedient? All these years, you kept the mansion running so well, so hard. I should thank you for paving the way for me. What you trying to say? I heard Lucas still doesn't sleep in the same bed with you. Oh my, that must be even harder for you. All these years, not so good together? At least I didn't run off abroad when he threw hardest time. And didn't back to pretend to be in love only after heard he took power. How dare you talk to me like that? Who are you trying to scare? You think you're still that killer? I am still Lucas's wife. You better remember that. What do you think you mean to Lucas? Just because you're his wife, because he slept with you, you get to have him? All I have to do is act a little cute, and he'll choose me without a second thought. I'll show you today. You're nothing but a joke. See? So dangerous. If Lucas sees this, who do you think he'll believe? I really don't want to embarrass you. Put it down. But what you just said, that really hurt.
Sophia?
I was wrong about what happened back then.
Sophia? What happened here?
Selena said I shouldn't have come back. Shouldn't see you again.
Selena, I already told you! Don't cause trouble!
She ripped her own dress and fell on the floor by herself. I never touched her. Miss Selena, back then it was my parents. They forced me onto a plane. I couldn't fight back. And now they want to make me marry that old man. He's over 90 years old. If I don't come to Lucas, I'll die. Please.
Sophia.
Lucas, please. Don't let Miss Selena kick me out. I can even stay in the basement.
No. She's just my wife on paper. And you will be the real lady of this house.
So Sophia was the real mistress of the house, after all. Then can she apologize to me?
Of course. Apologize to Sophia.
I won't say sorry for something I didn't do. Lucas, it's okay. As long as Sister Selena doesn't make things hard for me, she doesn't have to say sorry. It's fine.
Sophia's upset. As my wife, you should know better. Kneel and stay here till Sophia's satisfied.
I will never kneel.
I'm not just your husband and run this family. As the head of this family, I order you.
Fine. As you wish.
No one lets her up without my order. Ma'am, you've been kneeling all night. Master said if you just give in and admit you were wrong, he'll drop this. Here's his voice message.
Selena, I didn't mean to punish you. I just need to give Sophia an explanation. She's gonna run this family someday. Remember to put the medicine on.
An explanation?
Master's giving you a way out, so just...
Go tell him. I will never admit to something I didn't do.
How many years have you been with our family?
13 years.
13 years. When you were just a little girl, I saved you. I taught you myself.
Grandpa, I'm not being stubborn for no reason.
Lucas does have feelings for you.
I protected him for 13 years. I don't owe Lucas anything anymore. I will find the potion that cuts the bond.
I set up that bond to protect Lucas. And he hates it that much? Are you doing this for Lucas?
For myself, to buy my complete freedom.
Cutting the bond, it's happened before. But the legend says whoever goes to ask for it will lose the most important thing in their life. It could be unbearable pain, or it could be your life. For Lucas, you really don't care about yourself?
I'm willing.
Fine. I agree.
Why are you here, sister? I thought you were resting in the guest room now. I'm here to see Marcus. Are you really here to see Marcus? Or are you trying to seduce Lucas while you have the chance?
Miss Sophia, Selena come to see me. This is what you asked for, Madeline's information, but she's very mysterious. None of them came back alive.
Thank you.
Just apologize to Lucas. If you say sorry, he'll definitely let you come back. Then you won't have to go find Madeline.
You think I'm going to Madeline because I want to get back with Lucas?
Isn't that why?
No. I'm leaving him.
Selena, the first thing you do when you come here is find Marcus? Not me?
I didn't want to bother you. Besides, I have my own things to do.
Are you ignoring me? Selena, when did you start lying to me?
Lucas, don't be mad. Maybe Selena is really busy.
In such a hurry that she can't come see me?
Lucas, didn't you have something to say to Selena?
Yeah, right. From now, you stay with Sophia. Don't leave her side. Protect her.
What?
I said protect Sophia. Didn't you hear me? What, you can't even take orders from me now?